All right, so we can copy this frame to the other grids. Okay, so I'll select this and press the Control key on my keyboard. Select this rafter, select this column, select this column as well. Then let's select this column braces. All right, so I can now click on copy. Then I want to copy from here to this next grid. Then again from here to this next grid. Again from here to this next grid. But if you don't want to be doing it one by one by one by one, this is how you do it. Since we have equal distance, you can just count the distance. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8. Now you can actually say, okay, number of repetitions, you can put 8 here. All right. If you put 8 there, then you click on from this reference point to the next one. The 8 will be generated at once. Then you close. So it makes it faster that way.
Okay.
You can remove.
But why don't you copy that I-beam?
I can as well copy it. I think I forgot.
Okay.
So you can click on the tie beam, this one, and this one. In how many places now? It's going to be copy
12 places.
11. You know, we have one already, so it's going to be 11.
Okay, 11, yes.
So you can click here, then here, close. So we can remove all these nodes to have a clearer view. And click on the section shapes in order to have to appreciate the structure as well. All right. So now we need to proceed. We need to also model the pole lines on the rafters, because the pole lines are going to rest on the rafters, and the pole lines are going to carry the roofing sheets. Exactly. So now,
Yes.
to model the pole lines now, let's start with the first rafter here, this one. If you click on it, just the way we did for this the column, we need to divide it.
Okay.
So you click on the rafter, then you click on this division.
Division.
So we want to divide it into, you can see the length here. The length is
10.59.
So let's say we want to divide it into, let's say 6, for instance. All right. Let's say 6, or let's say 5. Yeah, 5. Okay. Let's bring out these nodes. So you click on execute. All right. Nothing is showing. Right? Nothing is showing. Sometimes it happens like this, but in order to make something show, for the nodes to show, you can uncheck this. When you uncheck this box, the essence of clicking inside this box is to generate the nodes without breaking this bar.
Okay.
Once you uncheck, it will break the bar. It will create the nodes anyway, but it will break the bar. But I don't want it to break the bar.
Okay.
But this is how to go about it. You can actually break the bar for this rafter. Then when we are done with the modeling of the pole line for this first part, we can delete this and copy the rafter back there again. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Since the nodes would not appear while this box is checked, So let's remove the mark from this box and click on execute. Okay, then we close. Now, as you can see, this bar has been broken. Can you see?
Yes.
It has been broken. If you click on N here, you see that it has been broken into different bars from 149, 150, 15, like that.
Hmm.
And we don't want it to be broken, but it's been broken anyway. But we leave it that way. We use it to model the power lines. Then we delete it later on and copy it back
Copy one
again.
of these back there.
Do you get it now?
Yes.
So that's just the best method. That's just the best way to go about it. So again, we need to do the same thing for this other one. This has been broken into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we do the same thing for this. We click on this, then we divide it into 5 places. We uncheck this box, then we execute. All right, close. Now we need to model the power lines. Okay, let's hide these bar numbers here. For the power lines now, we go to geometry, we go to bars, then we go to where? Power lines.
Online.
So you start modeling from node to node. You can just do one, then you copy the rest. Click on one, copy. Oh, sorry, I didn't click it very well. Copy now from node to node. Again from node.
Can't we put number the way we did for?
Okay, like in okay, the number of places.
Yes.
If they are they are of equal distance, you can do it. But you know, this length of the bar is about 10 point something. It cannot be equal distance. That's why
Okay.
I'm doing it one by one. I hope you understand that.
Yeah.
Close. Now this is what I wanted to achieve, and you know, I can easily copy this for lines to the other areas. I will just select the ball lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. But for a very big structure, you don't want to be selecting one after the other. Just click on one, right click, and go to select similar by cross section.
Hmm.
Then if all the polylines will be selected. Now I want to copy, just click on copy. Then to how many places now? 11, right?
11.
So
Yes.
from I'll click from here, then click here, finish. Let's rotate the structure. All right.
Yeah.
Again, there's something I want to show you. You know, we should have a node here so that we can have a small, maybe another power line very close to the apex of the rooftop here.
Okay.
So in order to do that, you can click on a rafter. Sorry, I need to save the first video. Where is it? Okay, it's on 95 now, 96. Okay, I will come back to it. Let's wait. Almost done. Okay, 100. We need to save it. I need to create a folder on the desktop. Or should I hide this? Okay. So I'm trying to create a folder for the video.
All right.
Alright, so I will save it in on desktop, then still design. This is your folder.
Yeah.
Save. Okay. Where I'm coming now.
Mm.
I can't see it. Where's the video? I'm trying to. Um, still design. I'm coming. Just a minute. Trying to look for it.
Okay.
Okay, I'll send it.
Okay.
All right, so let's continue now.
Okay.
Okay, I said we should have a note here, so we can have a power line very close to the apex of the roof as well. So let's make use of this one that has not been broken. These ones have been broken. So let's make use of this one that is not yet broken. So we click on it, then we go to division. So the best way to do this is we are not going to use into end parts. We use in distance. Now, since if the length of the bar is of the rafter is 10.59, now we're going to have a power line very close to the apex of the roof and also very close to the tie beam here. So now, first of all, let's have it at 0.25 meters. Okay, so we click on execute. Okay, let's uncheck this, then execute. All right, so we have it here, right? Can you see it?
Yes.
All right, so let's also have it at the top here. Let's say another 0.5, but this time around is going to be the length of this bar, which is 10.34. So we remove 0.5. So what do we have? 10.34 minus 0.25. We have 10.09. So we divide it in distance, then we put 10.09. Execute. I don't know whether you get what I'm trying to do.
I got it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. I got it.
All right, so we click on one of the polylines, copy. So I'll just click on reference points, then this one. Then again, from here to this place. Now we have gotten polylines very close to the tie beam, and another one is very close to the rooftop.
To the
So we
reach.
can exactly to the exactly. So we can copy this to the other rafters, these two. So we select these two, one and two. So we can now say copy into 10 places now. That's from here, then this one, close, right?
Yeah.
So now, since these rafters have been divided, remember we said we're going to delete them.
Yes.
So we're going to delete now and copy them back. It's a trick anyway. It's just a trick. That's why software is it depends on how you can, how you can make use of them
But
using different.
what about the? We are going to delete that one too.
Yes, now because it's been broken.
Okay.
So now we need to copy this back now. So we click on this one, then copy, click on reference points, then this point, again reference points, this point, reference points, close. Now we have gotten the rafters back. Can you see now?
Yeah.
And we still have our polylines. But we have not gotten these two polylines here. So we just click on this and this. Then we click on copy. Then we click here and this place. All right, so we have the polylines now. Is it difficult?
No, no, not at all.
All right, so we are left with this other side. So for the other side, we can just do the same thing. But we can try something. We can, let me see if we can make use of the, the vertical mirror. If I click on this, 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 this. I click on the vertical mirror. Then I click on this. Then I close this. Did you get that?
Yes,
Yeah?
I got it. I got
Instead
it.
of repeating all those procedures here, I will just, since it's just equal distance, 10 meters.
Yeah.
So now we can copy everything here to the rest.
Yeah.
I'll just select this one, this one, this, 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 and this one. Then we go to copy. How many places? 11.
11.
That's from here. And you click on this, close. So we're almost done with the modeling. I don't want to rush you. We stop here tonight. If you have any
Okay.
question, let's address it before we go to
Okay.
bed. We
Let
have
me
spent
quick.
up to, I think, an hour. Yeah, an hour is okay.
Okay. My question is, can this robot also do RC?
Definitely, it can.
Okay, can do RC, reinforced concrete.
Yes, it can.
Okay. Okay. Then for now, that means it can do composite.
It can.
Okay. I think that's my question for now.
But we are working on steel design. Except
Okay.
maybe in the future, you want us to go into that. But for now, we're working
Okay.
on steel design.
Okay.
Any question as regards what we have done so far?
Actually, I think I don't have question on this now.
Okay. So what you are going to do for me now is you are going to practice on your own and let me know if you have any challenge.
Okay.
So we'll meet again tomorrow in the night.
By God's grace.
All right. So good night. Have a wonderful
Good night,
sleep.
sir.
I will send the videos to you later on.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning, please. Tomorrow morning.
All right. Can you send this file to me too?
Which file?
As in this, what we do, well, this what's it
Structure.
called? This file, this robot thing that we did.
This
Is it possible?
this model,
This model exactly.
you have to do it yourself.
Okay, okay,
That is going to be an assignment.
okay. I'll try it.
Even though it might not be exactly this, your home might be even maybe wider than this.
Okay, okay. That's
But
good.
we are not done with the modeling yet. Okay.
Okay,
Because we still need to do one or two things. We're not done with the modeling yet.
okay.
All right. So see you again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Good night.
Good night. Yeah.